Hi, this video I'm going to tell about the popular keyword, that is final keyword in Java programming. Let's we go to the topic. So final keyword, actually we can use it in three ways in Java. So a variable that can be preceded by a final keyword, a method that can be preceded by final keyword, and class. The Java class is also preceded by the final keyword. So what is the use of it? So the final variable, actually it will stop the value change, and if any method that is declared as a final method, it will prevent a method override. And if any method, any class that is preceded by the final keyword, then we cannot do inheritance. So it will it will prevent the inheritance. So let me see each and every type with example. First we will discuss about the final variable. So final variable, as I told, if any variable that is preceded by the final keyword, then you cannot change the value of the final variable. So we will see the example. So here I am taking an example. Here my class name is bike9, and here I am declaring one variable. What is my variable name is speed limit, and what is the value of that speed limit is 90. It is an integer variable, but it is preceded by the final keyword. So this variable, now it is a final variable. And here I have written one method. Return type is void, and the name of the method is run. And here again I am using the speed limit variable, and here I am changing the value of speed limit into 400. Now again main function, then I am creating an object for my class, that is bike9 is my class name. Here I have created one object. What is my object name is obj. Obj is my object name. Now I am going to call the method, so object dot run. So this will come here, and what will happen here is this program, what will be the output of this program is we are getting a compile time error. So why I am getting a compile time error is because here the speed limit, it is a final variable. So if any variable that is declared as a final variable, we cannot change the value of the variable. So whatever the value that is assigned for the speed limit, so we cannot change the value of the variable. Here what is the value of the variable is 90. So it is fixed as constant. So here inside the run method I am trying to change the value of speed limit. So what will happen is it will show the compile time error. This is a first type. And the second type, so that is a method. Okay, here we are going to declare a method as final method. So if it is declared as a final method, we cannot do method overriding. So if you make any method as final, then you cannot override it. Let me discuss an example. So here again class name is bike, and what is my method name is run, and the return type is void. Here we are declaring this method as a final method. So once it is declared as a final method, we cannot do overriding. So inside the method I am printing running, and I am closing the class. Then here I'm going to do the overriding here. So my class name is Honda, that is subclass name is Honda, and my parent class name is bike. And again I'm here I'm doing the overriding, same method, whatever method I have used in the parent class, same method I'm using in the child class. This is called as method overriding. So void run system.out.println, running safely with 100 kilometers per hour. So now what will happen here is, here I am creating an object for my class Honda. Then I am going to call the method Honda.run. So as I told, here this method is declared as a final method, so we cannot override here. So what will happen here is you will get again a compile time error. Okay, so next type is a class. So here what we are going to do here is, here we are going to declare a class as a final class. Okay, so if a class which is preceded by the final, then you cannot extend it. That is, it will prevent the inheritance. So we cannot do inheritance whenever the class is declared as a final class. Now here we will see an example. Here again, what is my class name is a bike. This class is declared as a final class. As I told, if it is declared as a final class, we cannot do inheritance. So here again, I'm creating one subclass Honda 1 extends bike. This is here I'm doing an inheritance, and again run method. Inside the method, I'm printing a message running safely with 100 kilometers per hour. Main function. Here I am creating as object for the object for my subclass. Honda 1 is my class name and Honda is object. I am calling the method run. So it will come here. So as I told, whenever the class is declared as a final class, we cannot inherit it. So again, this program also you will get a compile time error. Thank you.